message. Just want to inform you that I'm one of your biggest fans in the Philippines. I just met you just recently. Just watched your video, and I was really amazed, and you really captured my imagination and my interest again in going back to vlogging and creating content. I was happy that there are those people like you who are inspiring a lot of people, content creators, to not give up, just continue with the flow. And I just wanted to know, and you to know that, like you, I was also vlogging for almost a long time ago. Started in 2017, but you started early, right? I started 2017, and sometime 2020, I think I applied for monetization. I was not approved due to race content and copyright reasons. I was I lost my interest during that time. Stopped for another 2 years. But during the time that I lost my job, now it's almost 2 months. I started going back to my channel and redoing everything and improve all the videos, starting with the thumbnails. Based on all the podcasts I watch about you, and all of your tips, I thank you for all those tips because it helped me start improving on my videos. It said there, just upload around 100 videos. Now I'm already at 400, but it's improving. Only that I don't have the luxury of time editing. I don't have the luxury of time, and I don't have the luxury of money, or should I say, still manages to grow. Now being the one of YouTube's billionaires. There's a lot of people that is really depending on me right now, and I'm pretty pressured because of my situation. That's why, if you can hear this message, please allow me to play on your games. So I had a chance to win something on your contents. Please extend your helping hand to the Philippines, to small YouTubers like you who wanted to grow in the future and also wanted to help people also like you. Uh, those things. Thank you so much, and I hope this message reaches your kind heart and your group. Thank you. By the way, my name is Mr. Vince. Before it's Velvet Reality TV, I still uses that name. But since my nickname is Vince, and you are my inspiration in redoing my content, I named it Mr. Vince.